içine düşmesin sakın.
Kırdın.
Gel. You can order this on eBay, $15. Backup camera is $13. Okay guys, I'm gonna install Toyota Camry backup camera 2013, 2012, 2014. I think they are the same. First of all, you're gonna get a camera like this, aftermarket, any camera you can buy. And this camera has two connectors. One is power supply, other one is for the camera. This one, you're gonna open it, the trunk, and then as you see, one is red, one is black. Red one is positive, black one right there is gonna be negative. When you reverse it, when you do the gear reverse, this lamp is gonna go ahead and turn it on, and then it's gonna give the electricity for the camera, and then the camera is gonna send the signal to the radio right there. When you reverse it, you're gonna see the camera there. Okay, first of all, this is the connector. This is the connector. I'm gonna put the link in the below in the description right there. Basically that one is supposed to be right here, but I put a adapter right there because you need to connect this one to the camera, and then you're gonna see two cables right there. You don't need to use this. This is for giving the electricity to the camera, but we already found a power supply at the back from the reverse light. You don't need these, but careful with this. Just leave it somewhere. It's not gonna touch anywhere. And then that's it. It's not too hard to do it. Let's go ahead and try it. As you see, I put the reverse. Let's go ahead and look at the camera. Right there. Let me see. It's gonna see me. As you see, it is seeing that place. Yeah, that's it. You're just gonna put this back, and then 4 screws right there, right there, right there, and then we're gonna put the other stuff there. So easy. I'm gonna show it in the video. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Try to do the wiring over here. You don't need to drill the car. You can just take this out. You can just take this out and just take this out also like that, and then just put it right there. That's it. You don't need to do anything else. Right now we're gonna do the reverse. Yeah, that's it. I hope you like it. Let's go ahead and look at the backup camera on eBay, how much is gonna be. When you put backup camera, you can just find it The first one in Raptor, $22, $12, $25, 37. Let's go ahead and sort it. Lowest price and shipping. Wow, there is $3.35. Oh. I don't know. Is it good or bad? This one has 2.5 stars. There are no reviews for these. If I were you, I wouldn't buy it. But if you don't have money, you can just choose $4. The goal is to see the back of the car. Best match. Let's go ahead and look at the price, screen size, condition, view more. There is no reviews. Short, best match, condition, price, type, nearby. I was gonna do a review, but it's not showing. Anyways, don't choose the lowest price. Let's look at best match. This one has 7 reviews, 5 stars. I think this is good, but if I were you, I would just buy. Let me see. I would just buy this one. But if you have money, just get this one. Yeah. Okay. Also, for the connector, 2013 backup camera. Let me put 2013 Toyota Camry backup camera adapter. Let's see. I already purchases. Yes, that one. Here. It's $20. I think this is the cheapest one. This is the cheapest one. Let me see the original listing. The seller is good. Yeah, this one you can buy it. It's not cheap, but that's okay. Alright, let me tell you something. When I'm done with installation for the backup camera, Toyota Camry SE 2013, all of them are the same 2012, 13 and 14 models. When you first put the gear in reverse mode, after you started the car, like when you do it for the first time, I mean when you started it, when you do the reverse, as soon as you started the car, it is working. But later on, if you start the car and then wait 1 or 2 minutes and then try to do reverse mode, it's not working. I don't know why. There is no explanation for that. But what you need to do is when you start the car, just put the gear in reverse mode and then you're gonna see the backup camera. I don't know how am I gonna solve this problem. Just let me know. You can put some comments in the comment section, and I can understand like what the problem is. If there is any professional, can you please just put the comment over there? Thank you so much and have a great day.
Oradan inemiyorum.